Amigos, welcome back to my channel. I'm at the entrance of the Galleria Mall. So yes guys, I'm taking up this challenge to stay 24 hours inside this mall. I'm really not sure whether I'll be able to make it to the whole 24 hours or not. This is early in the morning, mall had just opened. I have been thinking to see if I can really make it or not. I don't think I'll shop. Reason being, if I carry all those things, it will be difficult for me to hide at night. I'm really scared. I'm really scared. How am I gonna stay for 24 hours here? Can you believe it? I really am damn scared, guys. Hope I'll be alive till morning. I'm also worried about the securities. My plan is nothing but hiding somewhere where the cameras are not there. However, I think in most of the places there are cameras. I believe, I'm not sure. So let's see guys, let me go inside the mall now and let's explore more. This gate is not opening at all, it's already giving me a threat that don't go inside. What kind of thing is that? I'm trying and then luckily it opened. I just entered the mall. As it just opened, everyone might be thinking that I am a lunatic. Jockey became poor or what? Why did they make board like this? Aurelia is dressed up properly because they are advertising the dressing brand. And let's go inside and do a window shopping. I'm not doing shopping because carrying it whole night or roaming around will be difficult, right? So, and also account balance is less. So I just received my mocha. Somehow I spent so much time here, but still, guys, there's a lot of time left. I don't know how I'll spend, and I'm really not sure whether I'm lost at night. That is the most crucial part because so many people will be there who will be locking the doors, closing the shops, so on and so forth. This is a small zone, but if I get at least 10 million views, I'll definitely try bigger views. Not bad. Shirts from Barista. Mirror inside the lift and also outside the lift. See? Hi guys, I came to have lunch here. Alpakuttu biryani.
This is for our age people, guys. See? People who are younger than 5 years like me can come here and explore.
Guys, come on, give me some comments, give me some different, unique ideas. Donuts, guys, yummy. I don't want to have it because I'm hungry, but I don't want to have donuts. Everybody is watching at me as if I'm a lunatic. I just received my hot chocolate. Ta-da! Yum! Let's do window shopping, guys. This is लाइफ में कभी देखा नहीं होगा. I came to KFC to have dinner. So if we are gonna spend whole 24 hours in the mall, obviously at least 3 hours we have to spend in INOX or movie theater, right? So I'm planning to watch some new movie. I have been thinking I watched a movie which I don't understand, like a language, different language or something. Let me go through the review. So I heard there's one new movie called Manumal Boys, which is a big hit. I really thought I'll watch it and see how it is. I really don't understand Malayalam.
Mostly causes cancer.
ಕಾರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟುವರೆಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು.
After the movie, it was really hard for me to, hide back so that all the people will go off from the mall and then I can stay alone and safe. Mall security were searching for people and asking us to go, so I thought I'll hide in the washroom. So I sat here. I almost finished the movie around 1, I guess, because it was 9:55 show, night show. I was feeling so exhausted and tired. Hope it will be worth it. My mic's battery was over. So many videos I had recorded without voice and I couldn't myself recognize what are those. So I was trying to sleep. Movie was really good. Manumal Boys, must watch for all the people who like friendship kind of movie, and it's a real story. It was a heart touching friendship story, guys. I really loved it and I cannot really believe it is a real event. It happened in 2008. I seriously, can anyone be like that close kind of friend who will die for you, who will do anything for you? Really, guys, that was a great friendship and still they last. All the guys who went for that trip, all the friends last till now. Even they are like a thick friends now. After a nap, I thought, okay, fine, let me record the mall, without people, and let me guys show you that, mall is completely closed. It was already morning. I slept for a very long time. I thought I'll show before the shops are all open. I'll record all the videos and go off from here. Guys, it was really not easy. It was scary. Damn. Somehow I survived. Kudos for that. After a nap, when I came out of the washroom, I was feeling sort of relieved and sort of relaxed because I don't know, I was sort of feeling claustrophobic, maybe because I was staying in the washroom for a few hours. Somehow I thought, fine, I came out relaxed. All the shops were closed. Still there was little lighting. Thank God. I thought it will be dark even inside after the mall is closed. Thank God it was not closed at all. Again, we are back to the Spar. Hi guys, this is Spar when it is closed. I cannot believe that I really made it through the night in the mall. And see guys, the whole parking is closed, whole mall is closed, nobody is there. I couldn't even found one person except for the entrance of the mall. It was not easy, guys. It was really difficult. Whole mall was closed. Here and there securities were roaming around. I was trying to hide from them and start taking videos because it was not easy. If they see me or if they catch hold of me, then it's a waste of time. Then I cannot make any videos. So I was hiding and trying to make videos. There were few securities here and there. This is definitely a great adventure of my life. And guys, I really struggled hard. I hope at least I'll get few million views for this. If I reach 10 million or 20 million views, I'll plan the same video in some other malls like Orion Mall or Forum Mall, etc. Forum Mall would be really difficult because securities will be really keeping an eye on you, sort of. So let's see. Hello everyone. Even this is not working. It is not working. It looks like, but it is not. But in video, why is it looking like it's working? But it is not. Parking is empty. I haven't seen anybody. Finally completed the channel. Now I'm heading out to my home, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Signing off. Toodles. See you tomorrow.